Hong Kong will reimpose some of its strictest coronavirus measures as it battles a growing fourth wave of infections. From Wednesday, only 2 people will be allowed out in public together. Chief Executive Carrie Lam says the latest outbreak is very severe and has urged people to stay home as much as possible. Ronan Lim reports.
It's the strictest measures in place since the third wave back in July, when restaurants had to do takeaway orders after 6 p.m. Bars, gyms and other social establishments were shut and group gatherings limited to a maximum of 4. This time around, the fourth wave may be more severe. We've had more than 100 cases in the past 7 days of unknown sources, which shows that there is an invisible transmission chain in the community. The patients spread across many districts and have been in contact with many people via these social activities. The biggest clusters uncovered so far has been the so-called dance hall cluster, whereby 28 such premises have now been closed. There are 519 related cases to these dance club premises. Chief Executive Carrie Lam defended her administration's handling of the latest outbreak so far, though.
I wouldn't say that we have reacted too slowly. If you ask me, individual measures have been introduced in the same manner or even in an accelerated manner than the previous wave. If you take individual measures, we are now closing everything. Almost everything, except the restaurants, because they are meeting the daily needs of the people. We are allowing a little bit of gym activities because people need this sort of thing to keep themselves healthy.
Starting Wednesday, restrictions at eateries will be tightened. No dining-in services will be provided at restaurants after 10 p.m. Gyms, fitness centers can still operate, but no classes of more than 2 people can be conducted, and masks will have to be worn at all times. Entertainment venues, including amusement game centers, karaoke venues, mahjong parlors and swimming pools, those will be shut from Wednesday. Bars, pubs, nightclubs have already been previously closed. All civil servants will work from home apart from those in emergency and essential public services, and that affects some 177,000 workers. The private sector is also likely to follow the government's lead on the work from home arrangement. Yesterday, it also decided that all schools at the secondary level and below are to suspend all face-to-face classes for the rest of the year, starting from Wednesday. That's 3 weeks ahead of the scheduled Christmas break. And Mrs. Lam also wants to increase the $260 fixed penalty fine for breaking safe distancing rules. And she says that she wants to raise it by several times over in order for it to be a deterrent.